more. Can you do a somersault?
I need help.
You need help?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, do a dance. Jump. That was a good jump. Do it again. Good job. You want to say hi to Grandma Julie?
Yeah.
Okay, say hi.
Hi.
Do you like the new mats?
New Max.
The new mats, what do you want to say? Grandma Julie sent them to you.
I want to see.
You want to say thank you? Thank you for the mats. Go do one more dance for her. She'd like to see that. Very good. You want to try a somersault again? You can do it without me. Go ahead. You need help? It's not happening today. Jump. Okay, you want to say goodbye, Grandma Julie?
Bye.
Want to blow her a kiss?